Ndewono ndomanje mano. Ndewono ndị nke m ndewono no. Welcome back to my channel. In today's class, I'll be taking us on the types of family in Igbo language. And in the next class, we'll be looking at names associated with family, like the father, the mother, and so on. But in today's class, let's look at the types of family. Ụdị ezinụlọ dị iche iche anyị nwere. Ya maka anyị ga-eleba anya ya taa. We'll be looking at types of family. And the question is, how do you define family in Igbo language? The definition. Ezinụlọ bụ ọgbakọ ndị mmadụ ndị jikọrọ ọnụ n'alụmalụ maọbụ n'iwu. That is the definition of family. We may define family as a group of people who are related by blood, marriage, or adoption. So that is it. Then let's look at the types of family. We have 3 types of family, and the first one we have the nuclear family. And the nuclear family is called ezinụlọ otu mkpuke. Ezinụlọ otu mkpuke. The nuclear family. Otu mkpuke. Mkpuke is kitchen. Useku. We call it useku. We have ezinụlọ otu mkpuke. Ezinụlọ otu mkpuke is ezinụlọ, a type of family where we have the father, the mother, and the children. It is called ezinụlọ otu mkpuke. The next one is now ezinụlọ ụbara mkpuke. Ezinụlọ ụbara mkpuke is the polygamous family. The polygamous family is ezinụlọ ụbara mkpuke. Ụbara has to do with attitude. Ụbara, many. Ụbara mkpuke, that is the polygamous family, and in it we have the husband and wives. It may be 2 wives, maybe 3, 4, 5, as the case may be. We'll go over to the next family. Ezinụlọ mbisa. That is the third family. We may have the father, the mother, the children, we have the uncles, we have the aunts, and so many others. Now we ask, what kind of family do we usually see in Igbo land? In Igbo land, this the extended family. Ezinụlọ mbisa. Ezinụlọ mbisa. You know, the Igbos, they have this belief, onye aghala nwanne ya. Onye aghala nwanne ya. What does it mean? You don't abandon your siblings, you don't abandon your relatives, you don't abandon your people. You must always to help them. You mustn't always be around them, at least communication, you know. So the Igbos believe so much that you don't abandon your own. And that is why you will see a man with his family having his relatives living with them in the same house. It's common. In the time of our forefathers, the most common is the polygamous family. The polygamous family, you see a man marrying like 2 wives, 3, 5. And why they did that was because in those days, you know that our main source of livelihood was farming. So men marry these women for them to have people helping them out in their farmlands. So then you see a man marrying up to 5 wives. Yes, and you see them having children. They have children, and because they had large acres of land for farming, so they needed help. In those days, we have the polygamous family, ezinụlọ ụbara mkpuke. That is the most common in those days. But now, men are struggling to even remain with the one wife because of so many responsibilities. Anyway, they all have their reasons. That So remember I said we have three types. Ezinụlọ otu mkpuke, that is the nuclear family. Ezinụlọ ụbara mkpuke, that is the polygamous family. Na ezinụlọ mbisa. Ezinụlọ mbisa is the extended family. Don't forget, I said in the next class we'll be looking at the kinship terminologies. Yes, we'll be looking at that. So see you in the next video. Remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so. Hit the subscription button. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share. Bye.